मज़ीद एजुकेशनल एंड जॉब्स अपडेट्स के लिए हमारे चैनल पैगाम सिंध ऑफिशियल को सब्सक्राइब और लाइक करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें। शुक्रिया।
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you guys are doing well. So today we will be discussing 7th class science notes composed by Fida Hussain. The table of content includes 12 chapters and we will be discussing all of them one on one. Chapter number 1, Human Organ Systems. Number 1, salivary glands produce saliva which keeps mouth wet. Number 2, saliva contains enzymes peptidin which help in digestion of carbohydrates in mouth. Number 3, esophagus is a long tube open into stomach. Number 4, stomach is thick wall, sac-like structure. Number 5, wall of stomach secretes hydrochloric acid and enzyme pepsin which helps in digestion of protein. Number 6, small intestine is long, narrow and coiled tube 6 to 8 meters long. Number 7, first part of small intestine is called duodenum which is 30 centimeter long. Here digestive juices from liver, pancreas meet to semi-digested food. Number 8, second part of small intestine called jejunum. Number 9, last part is called ileum having finger-like projections present called villi. Number 10, the digested food is absorbed into blood in the small intestine. Number 11, villi absorb nutrients and enter into blood. Number 12, in large intestine undigested food is stored. Number 13, water is reabsorbed and waste removed through anus. Number 14, vitamin K is synthesized in large intestine by useful bacteria. Number 15, appendix is not involved in digestion. Number 16, liver secretes bile and emulsifies fats. Number 17, pancreas produces pancreatic juice, help in digestion of lipid, protein and carbohydrates. Number 18, the mechanical breakdown of food occurs in the mouth and the stomach. Number 19, breakdown of food mechanically done by stomach and teeth also called physical digestion. Number 20, chemical digestion is done by different enzymes. Number 21, larynx also called sound box. Number 22, upper part of trachea is connected with pharynx through an opening called glottis. Number 23, a cartilaginous flap covers glottis called epiglottis. Number 24, during swallowing, glottis is covered by epiglottis while during inhalation it remains open. Number 25, in thoracic cavity, trachea divides into two bronchus. Number 26, the alternative name of trachea is windpipe. Number 27, bronchus enters into lungs, divide into bronchioles. Bronchioles open into air sacs called alveoli. Number 28, lungs are pair of hollow spongy organs. Number 29, lungs have about 700 million alveoli. Number 30, thick muscular membrane called diaphragm separates lung from abdominal cavity. Number 31, diaphragm dome shape in relaxed state. Diaphragm contract, rib muscles contract and rib cage move upwards. Increases the size of chest cavity and lungs expand. In it air pressure within the alveoli lowers. Number 32, mechanism of exhalation. Number 1, diaphragm relax. Number 2, ribcage moves down and inward. Number 3, lungs contract due to high pressure and air pushed outward. Number 33, Chemical breakdown of food to release energy is called respiration. Number 34. Respiration takes place at much lower temperature as compared to combustion. Number 35. Energy released in combustion in the form of heat, while in respiration energy released in the form of ATP. Number 36. When both lungs are infected due to pneumonia, called double pneumonia. Number 37. TB is caused by bacteria, Mycobacterium tuberculosis commonly affect lung. Number 38. TB bacteria also cause effect on central nervous system, diseases caused by meningitis, lymphatic system and urogenital system. Number 39. Sanatorium is a hospital for TB patients. Number 40. 9 months medication given to TB patients. Number 41. Cancer is an uncontrolled cell division. Number 42. Cell of cancer can be broken away from original tumor and spread to other parts of body called metastasis. Number 43. About 90% cancer caused by tobacco use. Number 44. Cigarette smoke contains 4,000 chemicals. Number 45. Along tobacco use, air pollution is another cause of cancer. Chapter number 2. Transport system in human and plants. Number 1. In unicellular and less complex organisms, transport of material occurs through diffusion. Number 2. Heart is a pumping organ present in chest cavity above diaphragm. Number 13. Heart is protected by pericardium. Number 4. Heart has cardiac muscles. Number 5. The blood from heart is transported to all parts of body by the arteries. Number 6. Auricles are smaller and thin, while ventricles are larger and thick. Number 7. Arteries carry blood away from heart. Number 8. Veins bring blood towards heart. Number 9. Largest artery is called aorta, while largest vein is vena cava. Number 10. A right auricle receives deoxygenated blood from body through vena cava. Number 11. From right auricle, blood enter into right ventricle through tricuspid valve. Number 12. When heart contracts, deoxygenated blood from right ventricle pump into lungs through pulmonary artery. Number 13. Through pulmonary vein, oxygenated blood from lungs enter into left auricle. Number 14. Oxygenated blood from left auricle enters into left ventricle by bicuspid valve. Number 14. Oxygenated blood from left ventricle pushed into aorta and distributed to whole body. Number 16. Blood absorbs oxygen from lungs. Number 17. ECG tells us about internal condition of heart. Number 18. Pacemaker present in a right atrium. Number 19. Food is prepared in leaves, which is stored in vacuole of the leaves. Number 20. Synthesis of carbohydrate takes place in leaves. Number 21. Transport of water from roots in the plants takes place through xylem. Number 22. Phloem vessels start from leaves, while xylem vessels start from roots. Number 23. Mesophyll cells in leaves absorb gases. The evaporation of water from leaves is called transpiration. Chapter number 3. Reproduction in plants. Number 1. Amphibians, fishes and many invertebrates lay eggs in water which hatch into larvae. Number 2. Sponges and coelentrates show asexual reproduction. Number 3. Asexual reproduction in plants is done by budding, cutting, and layering. Number 4. Potato is asexually produced through tubers. Number 5. Sepals, also known as calyx, are green leaf-like parts which protect inner parts in bud condition. Number 6. Sepal is not a reproductive structure. Number 7. Petals, also called corolla, are brightly colored leaves which attract insects. Number 8. Stamen are also called androecium and male sex organ of flower. Number 9. Stamen consists of anther and filament. Number 10. Anther is filled with male sex cells called pollen grains. Number 11. Carpels, also called gynoecium, is the female sex organ of the flower. Number 12. Carpel consists of swollen basal part called ovary in which female sex cell ovule are present. Number 13. Neck of ovary is called style and upper expanded part is called stigma. Number 14. For pollination, the plants must be of same species. Number 15. Cross pollination produces stronger plants. Number 16. Cross pollination is brought about by different agents called pollinators. Number 17. Self pollination occurs between same or different flowers of the same plant. Number 18. There are about 2 lakh varieties of animal pollinators. Number 19. Nectar present in nectarines. Number 20. Wind pollinated pollens are light and bear wings. For example, grass species, sweet chestnuts, conifers, etc. Number 21. As pollen grain reach stigma, a pollen tube arise and pass through style enter ovary. Nucleus of pollen grain fuse with the nucleus of ovule. Fertilization occurs. Number 22. After fertilization, ovary enlarges and form fruit. Number 23. The ovarian wall becomes fruit. The ovarian wall becomes fruit wall called pericarp. Number 24. The ovules become seed. Number 25. Fruit is ripened ovary of plant. Number 26. Sexual reproduction of plant takes place by pollination. Number 27. Walls of ovary store food. Chapter number 4. Environment and feeding relationships. Number 1. Everything which is present in surrounding of a living organism is called environment. Number 2. An ecosystem is the basic functional unit of environment. Number 3. Ecology is called as environmental biology. Number 4. An area where living organisms interact with each other and with their physical non-living environment is called ecology. Number 5. Ecosystem is the basic unit of ecology. Number 6. Living place of an organism is called habitat. Number 7. Ecosystem may be big like a desert and very small like aquarium. Number 8. Primary consumers directly feed on plants, for example, cow, goat, rabbit, deer, elephant, horse, etc. Number 9. Animals which eat flesh of herbivores is called secondary consumer. For example, lion, tiger, spider, etc. Number 10. The meat eaters are also known as carnivores. Number 11. Those animals which feed on secondary consumers called tertiary consumers or omnivores. For example, human beings, deer, sparrow, etc. Number 12. Bat, cat, dog are active during night time to avoid food competition. In winter, most cold-blooded animals disappear because they hibernate. Frogs reproduce in rainy seasons. Number 15. Flow of energy from plants to animals appear in chain form called food chain. Number 16. Food chains. It starts from grass to goat, goat to lion. Number 2, grass to cow, cow to man. Number 3, starts from leaf, leaf to insect, insect to bird, bird to cat. Number 4, aquatic plants to insects, insects to larvae, larvae to frog, frog to small fish to large fish, and from large fish to man. Number 17, place of an organism in a food chain is called trophic level. Number 18, first food chain has 3 trophic levels and fourth chain has 6 trophic levels. Number 19, energy is highest in beginning and gradually becomes lesser down with the food chain. Number 20, shorter the food chain, greater will be energy available. Number 21, many food chains unite to make a food web. Number 22, a fox eats rabbits but also catches beetles, rats, and sometimes birds. Number 5, water. Number 1, percent of water on Earth's surface is about 70%. Number 2, 97.4% of the world's total water constitutes ocean, which is not drinkable due to large amount of salts. Number 3, 2.6% of world's water is fresh, which is consisting of groundwater 0.592%, ice caps and glaciers 1.984%, and readily accessible water 0.014%. Number 4, pesticides and fertilizers are the source of agricultural waste. Number 5, water having calcium, magnesium, and sodium metals make water resistant to soap is called hard water. Number 6, distillation is a technique of filtration. Number 7, distillation is a process in which volatile substances are separated from non-volatile substances. Number 8, distillation consists of 2 processes, boiling and condensation. Number 9, coagulation means special compounds to remove dirt particles from water. Number 10, chlorine gas kills bacteria germs from water. Number 11, suspended particles from drinking water are removed by potash alum. Chapter number 6, structure of an atom. Number 1, word atom originates from atoms, means indivisible. Number 2, atom is made from smaller particle called subatomic particle, that is electron, proton, neutron. Number 3, proton and neutron are heavier, which make up denser central core of atom called nucleus. Number 4, electrons are light revolving around nucleus. Number 5, electron has negative charge, proton has positive, and neutron are neutral, having no charge. Number 6, relative mass of electron is 1 by 1836, which is equal to 0.00054. Number 7, relative mass of proton and neutron is 1. Number 8, atom as a whole is neutral particle. It means that the number of positively charged particle is equal to number of negatively charged particle. Number 9, number of proton in nucleus of an atom is called atomic number, which is represented by Z. Number 10, mass number is the sum of protons and neutrons, represented by A. Number 11, an atom of carbon contains 6 protons and 6 neutrons. Its mass number will be 12. Number 12, atomic number of some elements. Hydrogen 1, helium 2, lithium 3, beryllium 4, boron 5, carbon 6, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8, fluorine 9, neon 10, sodium 11, magnesium 12, aluminium 13, silicon 14, phosphorus 15, sulfur 16, chlorine 17, argon 18. Mass number of some elements. Hydrogen 1, helium 4, lithium 7, beryllium 9, boron 11, carbon 12, nitrogen 14, oxygen 16, fluorine 19, neon 20, sodium 23, magnesium 24, aluminium 27, silicon 28, phosphorus 31, sulfur 32, chlorine 35, and argon 40. Number 15. Combining capacity or strength of an atom to form bond is called valency. Number 16. An element has 7 electrons in its valence shell. Its valency is 1. Number 17. Valency of some common elements: hydrogen positive 1, helium 0, lithium positive 1, carbon positive 4 and negative 4, potassium positive 1, aluminium positive 3, oxygen negative 2, fluorine negative 1. 18. Such a species in which the number of electrons and protons are not equal is called ion. Number 19. An ion is formed when an atom gains or loses electrons. Number 20. When atom lose electron, it forms positive ion called cation. Number 21. When an atom gain electron, it forms negative ion also called anion. Number 22. Atom having same atomic number but different mass number is called isotope. Number 23. Isotopes have the same number of protons in each atom but neutron number vary. Number 24. Hydrogen gas has 3 isotopes: protium, deuterium and tritium. Number 25. Isotope cobalt -60 used in cancer. Number 26. Symbolic representation of chemical compound is called chemical formula, for example H2O. Number 27. All pure samples of the same chemical compound contain the same element in the same proportion by mass is called law of constant composition or law of definite proportion. For example, pure sample of carbon dioxide is obtained by burning carbon in air or heating the metal carbonates, that is 27.3% carbon and 72.7% oxygen. A sample of water will be composed of 11.11% hydrogen and 88.89% oxygen by mass. Chapter number 7. Physical and chemical changes. Number 1. All such changes or processes during which chemical composition of substances does not change are called physical changes. Number 2. The process in which chemical change always produce one or more substances entirely different in composition and properties from those that existed before the change occurred is called the chemical change. Example is rusting of iron. Number 3. Fuels or substances used as source of energy. Number 4. The main constituent in natural gas is methane, which is up to 85 to 90%. Number 5. Kilocalorie obtained. Potassium chloride obtained from deposits of Earth's crust. Number 6. Salvite is mixture of potassium chloride and sodium chloride. Number 7. Straight fertilizers are solid nitrogen containing fertilizers sold in plate form. For example, ammonium nitrate, ammonium sulfate and urea. Number 8. NPK compound fertilizers are mixtures that supply the essential elements lost from soil by extensive uses. For example, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Number 9. A high level of nitrate in drinking water causes disease in small babies. It affects the hemoglobin and oxygen will not carry properly. This causes blue baby syndrome. Number 10. Animal fats and vegetable oil are a class of chemical compounds called esters. Number 11. Plastic are polymers. Number 12. Polyethylene is a polymer. Number 13. When ethane gas is subjected to high pressure and temperature, it forms plastic called polyethylene. Number 14. A polymer chain may be 5000 monomer units long. Number 15. Word plastic means pliable or moldable. Number 16. Low density polyethylene is made by compressing ethane and oxygen to about 2000 atmospheric pressure at temperature of 200 degrees C. This is called polymerization reaction. Number 15. Saponification is process or reaction of fats or fatty acids with sodium hydroxide. Number 18. Vegetable oil is converted into a solid fat by the process of hydrogenation. Number 19. Hydrocarbons are compounds of carbon and hydrogen. Number 20. The product of burning hydrocarbon are carbon dioxide and water. Chapter number 8. Transmission of heat. Number 1. Conduction is transfer of heat from one solid to another or the transfer of heat energy by direct contact. Number 2. The heat in metal rod flows by the process of conduction. Number 3. Materials which do not allow heat to pass through them are called insulators, for example wood, plastic, air. Number 4. Gases are bad conductors. Number 5. The process of heat transfer from a hotter place to colder place by actual movement of the particles of the medium is known as convection. Number 6. Convection is described as the movement of particles of gases and liquids away from a heat source to form currents. Number 7. Coastal breeze is also produced by convection. Number 8. Convection occurs only in liquids and solids. Number 9. Birds take advantage of upward movement of air is called thermals. Number 10. Many large birds wait on the ground until 11 o'clock in the morning for the thermals to form. Number 11. Neither conduction nor convection takes place in vacuum. Number 12. The heat and energy transfer from a hotter place to a colder place with or without having a material medium in between is called radiation. Number 13. All bodies, whether cold or hot, radiates heat. Number 14. A vacuum flask or thermos flask is flask which aims to stop all three forms of heat transfer. Number 15. Black and dark colored cloths are worn in cold climates because these are poor reflector and good absorber. Chapter number 9. Dispersion of light. Number 1. When light enters from one medium into another, it bends slightly from its original path. This is called a refraction of light. Number 2. Refraction occurs because of difference in the speed of light in the two media. Number 3. The medium in which light travels faster is called a rarer medium, whereas the medium in which light travels slower is called denser medium. Number 4. Air is rarer than water and glass. Number 5. When light goes from air into glass, it bends toward the normal at the interface. Thus, angle of refraction is smaller than angle of incidence. Number 6. When light leaves the glass, it bends away from the normal. Thus, the angle of refraction is greater than the angle of incidence. Number 7. The general law of refraction is that when light travels from rarer medium to denser medium, it bends toward normal. Conversely, when light travels from denser to rarer medium, it bends away from normal. Number 8. If the incident ray falls normally to the surface of glass slab, then there is no bending of ray of light and it goes straight. Number 9. The speed of light in air is 3 into 10 raised power 8 meter per second. Number 10. The speed of light in glass is 2 into 10 raised power 8 meter per second. Number 11. Refractive index of a medium gives an indication of light bending ability to that medium. Number 12. Refractive index of glass is greater than water. Number 13. Refractive index is usually represented by n. Number 14. A ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in a medium is called a refractive index of that medium. Number 15. A refractive index of glass is 1.5. Number 16. A refractive index of some substance, air, 1.0003, ice 1.31, water 1.33, alcohol 1.36, sulfuric acid 1.43, kerosene 1.44, benzene 1.50, ground glass 1.52, carbon disulfide 1.63, dense flint glass 1.65, ruby 1.71, sapphire 1.77, diamond 2.42. Number 17. The angle the ray makes with the normal inside glass is called critical angle. Number 18. If the ray hit the surface at an angle greater than the critical angle, then all of the light is reflected. This is called total internal reflection. Number 19. In the deserts, mirage is seen due to the total internal reflection. Number 20. Periscope is long tube at the two ends of which are adjusted to two totally reflected prisms. The rays of light from an object are totally reflected through an angle of 90 degrees by each prism. These are used in tanks and submarines. Number 21. In 1665, Newton discovered that white light consists of 7 colors. Number 22. 7 colors of a spectrum denoted by Vigor. Number 23. Splitting up of white light into 7 colors on passing through transparent medium like glass prism is called dispersion of light. Number 24. A rainbow is produced by the dispersion of sunlight by tiny ratio drops suspended in the air. Number 25. Red, green and blue are primary colors of the light. Number 26. Red and blue color makes magneta. Number 27. Blue and green color makes cyan blue color. Number 28. Red and green color makes yellow. Number 29. Red, green and blue color makes white color. Number 30. Yellow and blue makes white color. Number 31. Red and blue cyan make white color. Number 32. Green and magneta makes white color. Number 33. Any two colors which make white color is called complementary color. Chapter number 10. Sound waves. A wave in which the particles of medium vibrate back and forth in the same direction in which the wave is moving is called longitudinal wave. Number 2. Sound waves are longitudinal. Number 3. Speed of sound in various materials. Dry air at 0 degrees Celsius is 332 meter per second. Dry air at 20 degrees Celsius 344 meter per second. Water at 20 degrees Celsius 1498 meter per second. Sea water at 0 degrees Celsius 1531 meter per second. Blood at 37 degrees Celsius 1570 meter per second. Iron or steel at 20 degrees Celsius 5130 meter per second. Glass at 20 degrees Celsius 3962 meter per second. Number 4. Vacuum is the worst medium for transmitting sound waves. Number 5. When the vibrating particles move further apart from one another than they normally are, then there is a momentary increase in volume and a rarefaction is formed. Number 6. Compression is that part of longitudinal waves in which particles of medium are closer to one another than they normally are, and there is momentary reduction in the volume of medium. Number 7. In a compression there is temporary increase in the density of medium, and in rarefaction there is temporary decrease in the density of medium through which longitudinal waves pass. Number 8. A wave in which particles of medium vibrate up and down perpendicular to the direction in which the wave is moving is called transverse waves. For example, transverse waves produce in Europe water waves from one surface of water pond. Number 9. Distance between two consecutive crusts or two consecutive troughs of a transverse wave is called wavelength, denoted by lambda. SI unit of wavelength is meter. Number 10. Maximum displacement of particles of medium from their original undisturbed position is called amplitude of wave. Number 11. Time taken to complete one vibration is called time period. Number 12. Number of vibrations per second is called frequency. Unit is hertz. Number 13. Distance traveled by wave in 1 second is called velocity of wave. Unit is meter per second. Number 14. 1 hertz is equal to 1 vibration per second. Number 15. Characteristic of sound by which a shrill sound can be distinguished from a grave one are called pitch of sound. Greater the frequency, higher will be the pitch. Number 16. Frequency of ladies and children is high, so pitch is also high. Number 17. Characteristic of sound by which loud and faint sound can be distinguished is called loudness of the sound. It depends on the area of vibrating body, amplitude of vibrating body, and distance from vibrating body. Number 18. Sounds of frequency beyond 20 Hz are inaudible sound. Number 19. All people cannot hear sound even above 15,000 Hz. Number 20. A human ear can hear a sound only if its frequency lies between 20 to 20,000 Hz. Number 21. Audible sound frequency of dog is higher than humans, whose frequency lies between 20,000 Hz to 50,000 Hz. Chapter number 11. Circuits and electric current. Number 1. Charge in motion produces current. Number 2. Flow of electron through the circuit is called current. Number 3. The complete path for the flow of current through the wire, the cell, and the filament of bulb is called a circuit. Number 4. The type of circuit in which bulbs are connected end to end and provide a single path for current flow is called series circuit. For example, Christmas light strings, batteries in remote. Number 5. The type of circuit in which one end of each bulb is connected to the positive terminal of battery and the other end of the bulb is connected to the negative terminal of the battery is called parallel circuit. For example, a candle light, electric appliances in the house. Number 6. When connecting cells in series, you must connect positive of one to the negative of other. While connecting cells in parallel, you must connect positive of one to the positive of other. Number 7. An electric current I is a measure of the rate of flow of electric charge Q through a given cross section of conductor. That is, electric current is equal to charge by time. Number 8. SI unit of charge is coulombs, which is denoted by C. Number 9. SI unit of current is ampere, which is denoted by A. Number 10. A current of 1 ampere is a flow of charge at the rate of 1 coulomb per second. Number 11. Current is measured by ammeter. Number 12. Current flowing in a wire always gives rise to magnetic field around it. When electric current is passed through the copper sulfate solution, then chemical reaction takes place to form copper metal, sulfuric acid and oxygen gas. Number 13. Chemical effect of current is used in electroplating, in metal extraction, in purification of metal. Number 14. Difference in the electrical potential of charge is called potential difference or voltage. Number 15. Voltage is equal to W by charge. Number 16. Unit of voltage is volt. Number 17. 1 volt is the potential difference between 2 points when 1 joule of energy is used to move 1 coulomb of charge from one point to other. Number 18. Voltage is measured by voltmeter. Number 19. Greater the potential difference, greater will be the current. Number 20. The current through a resistor or conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across the ends of conductor provided the temperature remains constant is called Ohm's law, where voltage is equal to current and resistance. Number 21. The opposition offered to the flow of current is called resistance. Number 22. Thin wires have more resistance than thick wires. Number 23. Earthling means to connect the metal case of electrical appliance to the earth by means of metal wire called earth wire. Number 24. The earth wire is used to prevent electrical shocks. Number 25. Fuse is a device having a short length of thin wire made up of tin or tin lead alloy having low melting point which melts and breaks the circuit if current exceeds. Number 26. Fuse is used to prevent excessive current. Number 27. Fuse wire is connected in series in the electric circuits. Number 28. Kilowatt hour is the energy used by a device at a rate of 1000 watts in 1 hour. Number 29. The larger unit of electricity is kilowatt. Number 30. 2 kilowatt hours is the energy of about 7,20,000 joule. Number 31. Voltmeter connected is parallel in a circuit. Chapter number 12. Investigating the space. Number 1. Earth is planet like all other planets revolve around sun. Number 2. Stars occur in the form of clusters of billion of stars called galaxies. Number 3. Galaxies are the building blocks of universe. Number 4. Edwin Hubble is an astronomer observed that galaxies are not stationary in universe. Number 5. Big Bang theory of origin of Earth was proposed by Edwin Hubble. Number 6. According to Big Bang theory, all matter in universe was originally concentrated in 1 micrometer about 15 billion years ago. This super dense and extremely hot atom exploded with the Big Bang and matter started flying in all directions through space, leading the formation of galaxies of stars and other heavenly bodies. Number 7. According to the steady state of theory of universe, the universe is unchanging. It appears the same at all times and at all points. The universe did not have a beginning and did not have an end. Number 8. Stars are heavenly bodies, hot and have light of their own. Number 9. Every star is a huge mass and has hotness, gases and flames coming out of it. Number 19. Stars are made up of vast clouds of hydrogen gas, helium and dust. Number 11. In all stars, hydrogen atoms are continuously being converted into helium atoms and large amount of energy in the form of heat and light is released. Number 12. Distance between a star is measured in light year. Number 13. Each second 60 billion tons of hydrogen is converted to helium in the sun. Number 14. 1 light year is distance covered by the light in 1 year. Number 15. Light rays travel at the speed of 3 lakh km per second. Number 16. After Sun, the nearest star is Alpha Centauri, whose distance is 4.5 light years. Number 17. Light from Sun reaches to Earth in about 8 minutes. Number 18. Sun is about 8 light minutes away from the Earth. Number 19. Group of stars is constellation. Number 20. Star pattern are still used by astronomers to make star map. Number 21. Milky Way galaxy is a spiral type galaxy contain 100 billion stars rotating slowly around the center. Number 22. Andromeda galaxy is a spiral galaxy which contains arms and younger stars out from the old star at the center are generated. Number 23. A black hole is an object with such a strong gravitational field that even light cannot escape from its surface. Number 24. Stars are formed in huge clouds of gas and dust called nebulae. Sun is formed in a nebulae about 4.5 billion years ago. Number 25. The Milky Way is spiral.
मज़ीद एजुकेशनल एंड जॉब्स अपडेट्स के लिए हमारे चैनल पैगाम सिंध ऑफिशियल को सब्सक्राइब और लाइक करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें। शुक्रिया।